Hi guys, we've got a really exciting new puppet here. It's basically a replica of a 100-year-old style marionette, where the marionettes were above 1 meter tall, and they were quite heavy. We have printed this marionette so it's much lighter, and we are able to operate it without any hassle. Enric is operating marionette as always, and he can show you how to get up, use the open mode, and how the old puppeteers were used to move the marionettes. Originally, they were made of wood and they weighed about 5 kilograms. And that's it basically.